Welcome to another episode of High Events, and you must be wondering what's happening inside. We are at the launch of Aroma Bliss Ceylon. They started off with soap, but now they have expanded to hair and skincare products. So stay tuned, you're watching High Events. Let's go and check it out. So with me, I have the founders of Aroma Bliss Ceylon, Amila and Achini. Amila, how do you feel about the launch today?
Actually, so we are really excited today, and this is a very new location to us, and also this is our fifth showroom.
Is there a particular reason why you have decided to relocate now?
Yeah, actually, that's because of most of our customer requested to locate in Bambalapitiyo likewise area because it's a convenience to them. So then we decide to take this place and make this thing happen.
And with regards to your products, I mean, there's no one else who can speak about your products other than you. Could you tell us a bit about your products as well?
Actually, since 2017, we are manufacturing our natural products. It's basically like we started from soap manufacturing. After that, we manufactured what do you call night creams and body lotions, shampoo, and all the range after that. So we are using natural extracts, and main thing is that extractions done by ourselves. We have that facilities. We are using latest technology called supercritical extraction. So we are using that technology. Using that, we are manufacturing this kind of natural products.
Well, with me, I have India and Mahika. India, you look wonderful, shining in yellow. What do you think about the launch?
Oh, it's amazing. When I first walked in, it smelled beautiful. So, yeah.
And is there a particular product? I mean, I see that you're holding a product. Is that something that you like?
Yeah, I just, the name caught me like Kasturi Kaha. It's a night cream. I really want to try it out and see.
And what do you think about the location that they have chosen to,
There's great prominence. It's right in like the junction. And like a lot of people can see there's a lot of visibility. And also, I think like it smells so good, like far away, like, from the store itself. So I'm sure there'll be a great footfall here.
So will you be a loyal customer for Aroma?
So I've got a thing for all of these, like, nice smelling things.
And what do you think about the fact that it's all natural products that they're using to create their products?
I think we are all like moving forward with like the whole organic, sustainable way of living. So I think this is a great way to like sort of embrace the nature.
Well, with me, I have Anuja looking gorgeous. Anuja, what do you think about the launch today and how the event has turned out?
Great. I think it's lovely, and I'm loving the location. And also, I'm loving the products, the fact that it's organic. Yet to try it out though. But I feel very good about this. Yeah.
Is there a particular product that you like? Is it the product that you're holding right now?
Yeah, actually, I do have an under eye problem, so I think I'm going to go with one of these for the time being.
Well, with me, I have Nathalia and Rishan. Nathalia, I saw you that you were looking at a particular product which caught your eye. What do you think about that particular product?
It was great. I love the smell and the herbal and all. Like, you can like feel everything in it when you open it. I love the body butter here. I just tried it on. I think I'll definitely go ahead with that from today onwards.
And it's actually the season of giving. Do you think anyone could come here and purchase something and, gift it to someone? Do you think that's also something people can do?
Of course, definitely. So they have like amazing products and all herbal products. I think it's one of like anyone can come and pick whatever they want and give their loved ones in this season.
And Rishan, what do you think about the launch that they have organized?
It's really nice. I really like the atmosphere and the interior. I definitely will be back.
So with me, I have Shalini and Malaka. Shalini looking wonderful, and obviously Malaka, you also. So what do you guys think about the launch today?
It's really nice. I mean, something like this has always been something that they had to come up with very soon after COVID. People wanted to come out and experience something like this. So I think it's a timely call.
And Shalini, what do you think? I mean, they have a variety of products. What is one of the product that you actually like a lot?
They've got a body butter, which is like really cool. It's one of my favorites, and the store, the new location is very convenient as well.
I mean, also with regards to the ambience and everything. What do you think about? The second you walk in, you get the smells. What do you think about that?
I think we felt very luxurious the moment we stepped in, and a very strategic location, as Shalini mentioned. Very convenient. I hope.
Pampered as soon as you walk in, you feel pampered.
So with me, I have Tanya. Tanya, you look wonderful with the color you're wearing. The second you walked in, how do you feel about the launch?
I mean, the smell was amazing. I mean, I've used their soaps before. So as soon as you walk in, you get this familiar, smell of lemongrass and all this natural stuff. So yeah, I mean, I really like how it's, kind of laid out. It's really nice.
And what do you think about the fact that Aroma Bliss Ceylon started off with soap and then now has expanded to such a huge store? What do you think about their success?
Yeah, it's really good because they use a lot of natural products as well. I'm actually eyeing some of these under eye serums and oils and stuff like that. So yeah, I can't wait to try their products.
Well, with me, I have Harshini, looking wonderful during this Christmas, spreading the colorful vibe. Harshini, what do you think about the products that Aroma Bliss Ceylon has to offer?
They have a variety of products here, and I was just introduced to most of them, and I'm looking forward to trying them really. There are many body lotions and hair products and skin products and everything. So I'm looking forward to trying it really, and it's lovely to be here.
And Harshini, the fact that about this brand, it's all about natural ingredients. So what do you think about that? It's always important to use natural ingredients.
Yes, most of it is, they say it's sulfur free, and I think it's good for the skin because it doesn't dry, and it's something that I think everybody is looking towards using these days. Because it's always very important to use, I think, herbal and natural products. It's very, very important.
Well, I really hope you will use Aroma Bliss Ceylon products and carry on looking wonderful.
Thank you, and definitely I am going to buy a few products.
Well, with me I have Tiasha and Adisha. Tiasha, who are you wearing today?
So I'm wearing Karma Collection today.
And what about you, Adisha?
I'm wearing XXL.
And obviously these two ladies are, pretty, very influential people in our industry. So what do you think about the launch today?
Actually, I think it's fantastic. The place is beautiful. As soon as you enter, the aroma is just amazing. I already checked out a few products. Pretty good. So
Is there a particular product that you're eyeing?
actually, to be honest, I heard that they have all this everything in one kind of thing, because I'm a new mom. I have no time for anything, so those kind of things are really, really helpful.
That's wonderful. And also, most of the ingredients that they're using, they're natural. So what do you think about that?
That's great, actually, because I think they're using all the natural products, so it's pretty good. I'm going to have a look, actually.
Yes, what do you think about the location that they have chosen to, launch their new outlet?
I mean, it's perfect, right? Like, everyone can see it, you can't miss it, and it's beautifully done. That's the thing, right? And especially in the evenings, it's lit up so beautifully. I'm sure they're going to get a lot of footfall.
the night is still young in Colombo 3 because what you just witnessed is the brand new launch of the Colombo 3 branch of Aroma Bliss Ceylon. So if you want to smell good or look perfect on your skin, you should definitely visit this outlet and purchase a product from Aroma Bliss Ceylon. I'm your host Satma Nugera. What you just watched is High Events.